How to verify your account in Heyoo. So hey guys, in today's video we teach you how to verify your account right here. So as you can see right now, our account is not verified, and as you can see, to verify your account right here, all we need to do is open up our account right there on the app. And once we are here, all we need to do is scroll down till you see verification center right there. All you need to do is press on the verification center. After pressing verification center, we see verification right there on the top. Click on the verification right there. Our system will detect whether the avatar is yourself. Please make sure you upload your own photo. Then all we need to do is click on start. So once you click on start right there, it will now start. So as you can see right there, you can upload the avatar right there, pictures right there. You see, upload it right there. And once you uploaded your picture right there, all you need to do is click on start right there. Once you click on start, it will be verified. So yeah, there you go. So yeah, so if you want to verify, as you can see, there's two pictures, me and my girlfriend right there. So if you want it to like fully verify easy and quick, I suggest having just one picture in the profile. Once you have one picture in profile, you click on start because the system will sometimes detect it like there's a lot of people. So you may do a manual verification like a human verification, but it will take long. If I suggest just do the automatic like scan AI, so just put in one picture of yourself. So yeah, there you go. You'll be able to verify your account right here. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys like the video. Of course, enjoyed. If you have any question or concerns, type it in the comment section below, guys. Type it down as soon as possible in here. How to rock it, guys. Anyway, guys, there you go. And thank you, guys.